Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks Part 3. Not really necessary, but kind of fun. Interactive fill tool done on this star pattern that we made with the border. And that's very easy. But because we're working in the center of the page, what we can do with something like this is Control D to make a duplicate and make your duplicate black. Okay? Go up to Effect, or go to Object, Order, Backup Page. You've still got the black selected. And let's go 0.5 of a rotation. And look what it did to every star. It put now some of them are, that one looks double. Yeah, there's some double stars. That might have been in my first drawing. But it gave it a little bit of a shadow and effect. And, you don't have to do black. You could do yellow, you could do blue, and completely change it up just by changing the rotation. If you rotated it 2 degrees or 3 degrees, and if you selected them right, you'd have red, white, and blue stars sporadically put. Maybe not as neat as the video as I thought it was going to be, but maybe that gave you some ideas. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.